Yon World, what you do? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Bitcoin. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now today, on my YouTube channel, I want to share how to earn 1% on your Bitcoin every single day in 2021. Now, this platform I'm about to share with y'all, this is the future, right? This is blockchain technology, man. This technology will disrupt a lot of different industries. And I'm just letting y'all know, I'm not a financial advisor, but I understand where the world is headed toward. And it's headed toward technology. It's headed toward Bitcoin. It's headed toward the internet, right? And I'm giving y'all opportunity to be in a better position. Even if you don't understand what's going on with cryptocurrency, you gotta be a part of this, because this is the next level. This is the next phase of humanity. And I'm just letting y'all know, I'm just putting this out here. So on this video, I'm about to share how to earn 1% on any Bitcoin deposit, right? If you put in $1,000, you will be making $10 a day. Put in $100, you will be making $1 a day. Put in $10,000, you will be making $100 a day. The power of this platform really exists in what's called compound interest, because you able to choose whether you want to cash out your daily interest or whether you want to compound it and build your deposit up and increase your daily interest. So the platform I'm talking about, it's about to change the world. It's called Bankroll Flow. I'm speaking highly about this platform because I've been doing my research, and it's a lot of different cryptocurrency platforms coming out, right? And right now we in a stage of Bitcoin. It's like when the internet first started, when a lot of companies gonna start coming out of nowhere. And it's gonna be a couple successes. It's gonna be a couple, Facebooks. It's gonna be some Amazons. It's gonna be, some Googles in this crypto space. And I just want y'all to understand, Bankroll, this network is an ecosystem. This platform is literally the first crypto bank. I've done research. I recommend y'all doing y'all research on this platform before y'all getting into this. But as you can see, I got $1,000 deposit right here. So far, my available balance is $17. Now, I have the option to roll, right? I have the option to roll this deposit, which will reinvest that back into my deposits. I can roll the money and reinvest it back into my deposits, or I can claim the money, right, and cash it out, and do whatever I want to do with it. Put it back in Bitcoin, withdraw it all the way back into USD if I want to, right? Now, as you can see, how Flow works is literally a smart contract that will never end. It will never stop flowing. You can see right here, if we just watch this, every couple minutes it ticks up. Like, you're getting money every couple minutes, and you can claim this, right, at any point in time. When you deposit your money, you gotta understand, when you deposit whatever money, you immediately start getting interest on it. You immediately start getting interest because you supporting the ecosystem. You supporting the ecosystem of Flow, right? And they mining cryptocurrency. Now, that's beyond my understanding, like how the digital aspect of how cryptocurrency is mining and people getting rewarded, people getting paid. It's a whole network, a decentralized network all through computers, right? It's like they own computer ecosystem. That's what blockchain is. That's what crypto is. But you can make money in this, right? And I'm showing y'all one of the best platforms right now, and that's called Bankroll Flow. It's very simple. It's very easy. All you gotta do is make a deposit on this platform, and you can earn money every single day. So it's your boy, Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.